Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LinkedIn Premium Career, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for LinkedIn Premium Career, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website by entering www.linkedin.com in the address bar. If you already have a LinkedIn account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the Join Now button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, log in to LinkedIn. After logging in, look for the work icon located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the work icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Premium from this menu. You will then be directed to the Premium subscription options. Choose Premium Career from the available options. Review the features included with Premium Career, such as InMail, Advanced Insights, and LinkedIn Learning. Click on the Start Free Trial button to begin the registration process. Fill in your payment information when prompted. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you complete the payment details, click on the Submit button to activate your Premium Career account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Premium Career account is now active. Explore the features available to you as a premium member. Take advantage of LinkedIn Learning to enhance your skills and knowledge. Use InMail to connect with professionals outside your network. Monitor your application insights to improve your job search strategy. Enjoy the benefits of LinkedIn Premium Career as you advance in your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.